So who am I speaking with?
Adrian from Sweet Labs.
And Adrian, you just demoed a really cool product today. What is it?
It's called Pokki, and it's an application platform for developers, for web developers, to build desktop applications using HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript.
All right, show me from the beginning. How would I use it?
Okay, so if you want to actually get a Pokki, you go to Pokki.com here, and we have a number of example Pokkis, Gmail, Facebook, etc. And you just click the download link, and we've streamlined the whole installation. So you just click run once, and that's the first run experience. And then it downloads, shows you the installer. You click continue to confirm the installation of Facebook, of Gmail, and then it just downloads and installs. So you don't have to worry about running through an installer, saving it on your hard drive, and then it's just there, right in your taskbar.
So the first time installer just takes a moment or two. Here it is. We're just confirming this. But then once it's installed, I was quite impressed with each subsequent one is like less than a second installed.
Yeah, so when you actually get Pokki and you have it, it includes a Pokki app store that's accessible from the taskbar. And you just click on that, and then it lists all the Pokkis that are in the Pokki ecosystem, and you can just one click install them into your taskbar.
So you just installed Gmail. Show me the Gmail app.
Okay, let me show you that. So we built a Gmail application here. Basically, we thought we'd make a really good Gmail email client. And I'm just going to log in here and show it to you. All right, really smoothing to the animations. That's CSS3 kicking in there. And so this is Gmail, right, in an application form. And you can send new mail if you want to. Has autocomplete here. And then we also built a really nice feature in where you can actually log into multiple accounts, which is something you cannot do in the web browser because the web browser limitations, but you can do that in Pokki. So we really allow web developers to really express themselves and build great app experiences.
And show me how you can I can quickly add a few more apps.
Yeah, for sure. So you just go down here to the nut, the Pokki nut that's in the taskbar, and you can see here that we have a number of Pokkis. So I can add Facebook, Living Social, a Twitter client, and a Groupie, which is a Groupon app. And you can see they just all appear, right? The download was really quick and seamless. I didn't have to run through an installer. And then I can just click on them to access them.
So what I was also really intrigued by was the research you did to come up with this idea of Pokki, which was how people are going about to access and use their apps, and it's a real roundabout, strange way, like people typing in Facebook into a search engine to actually use Facebook.
Yeah, so if you actually look at it, it's called navigational search, and it's estimated between 20 and 25 of all searches actually just to get to something that they already know. So if you look at the top 10 search results of 2010, it's Facebook, Facebook.com, Facebook login, www.facebook.com. Like they're the top. Right? People already know where they're going, but they have to go through these multiple steps simply to get to the app that they already know and love and use on a daily basis.
And then from the study you did where you actually had people install an app, I think it was like a couponing app, what did you discover in terms of usage, click-through, all that?
Yeah, this is really amazing. So we built a Pokki around a daily deal site, and we did installs of that, and we actually found that people were viewing 180 deals a month. That was 6 a day, right? Compare that to traditional methods of email marketing where you get a 20% view rate, 3% click-through. It's a massive engagement, massive engagement.
And really what this is all about is a location play versus a destination play, because if I got to get somebody to go to my website, I got to sort of advertise, go to facebook.com, versus if you got Facebook on the desktop, I've got real estate.
Yeah, the web has always been publish and filter, right? And everyone has to compete to get your attention. But in the app world, it's really the other way around. It's inverse. Right? Users want the apps that they love, the sites that they love and use all the time to be able to tell them when something important happens. And so what Pokki does is actually inverts that and lets apps push notifications to users just like you have on your iPhone or your Android.